guys, welcome back to another Advanced in Car video. So today Owen and I have been working on this 2020 M240. It's the F23 chassis, and this customer has come in for the Bimmertech Android Auto / CarPlay. He's Android Auto, so that's why I went with it first. One of those units that obviously works through all the standard BMW system, and also a reversing camera. So our usual camera that would fit to BMWs and Jaguars and all those sorts of things. So we'll have a quick look at the camera, and then we'll jump in and have a look at how all the CarPlay and everything works. So the reversing camera we fitted is our standard aftermarket camera that has the kind of rubberized texture, ties in with factory cameras and things of BMW. We fit them to Jaguars, I think we fitted the Mercs and things like that before. Just goes onto the side of the grab handle where the factory one would normally be. So obviously we pop it all out, and then there's a little molded area where we then kind of measure everything up. That's where it then gets fitted, all sealed up and everything, so it's nice and watertight. And then all goes back in, follows all kind of factory routing down through the boot and then off towards the front, where it then gets plumbed into the CarPlay unit, and so it all just works basically like a factory camera. Let's go and have a look. So with this car, it's got the 6.5 inch screen. Obviously you can have the large ones, I think it's 8.8 and then 10.5 inch. This is just the more kind of entry level, if you like, but still works a treat on it. Looks really good, and even out here on this sunny day, it's dead bright and dead easy to see. With all the Bimmertech kits, you don't have the touchscreen functionality. They can't do that, but to be fair, you can cycle through very quickly, and it's very responsive just with the iDrive system, and you can select everything you need to select, go into music, and then you can just use the back button to then cycle back through. And it's the same with all the navigation and things like that. It's really quick and really easy to use. To get back out of it, just press and hold your menu button, and then that takes you back to your BMW system. Now with this one, we did have to connect up with Bimmertech, so we could have the auxiliary channel then coded in. I'll just put it on the menu there for you. So that's now there. You need the auxiliary so that you can have the sound coming through the CarPlay / Android Auto system, otherwise you won't get it. But it does mean you can have the radio on if you wanted to, and then still run and use your navigation on your CarPlay system. So that's still usable. Or if you wanted to just use your module, your Android Auto or your CarPlay all the time, you could get yourself various radio apps, and then you would never need to use the BMW system. So the next thing obviously we fitted was the reversing camera. So we'll just give it a little start up and then pop on the reversing camera. There you go, lovely and clear, nice decent view of everything with the moving guidelines as well, a bit like the factory one. Personally, I'm not a big fan of guidelines, but everyone's different. If it was my car, I'd probably go with just having a nice clear image out the back of my car. And if you want to do that, you can do that easily in the menu of the module itself. You can turn off your guidelines and have that clearer image. So it is nice and versatile in how it works. It's a nice cool bit of kit. Really like fitting these Bimmertech kits. They work a treat, and they retain that kind of factory feel. And it does feel like a kind of piece of kit that's then factory. Updates the car a treat. So that's it really. This is 2020 M240, nice one, quick engine, it's a nicely spec'd car. Now it's fully updated with CarPlay and Android Auto. So if you've got a car like this, please don't hesitate to get in touch and check out the website, check out our YouTube channels, the various other models and things we can do, and don't forget to follow us on all our socials, Instagram and everything like that. And then we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.